Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to record your screen iPhone with voice or with sound. It's so easy. Just you can go to your control panel and you press here and you will see the microphone audio is off. You can turn it on by clicking on and the icon will turn on red. This gonna be that's mean the microphone audio was on. For start recording, you press here and the countdown from 3 to 1 start. If you don't find this record screen here, it's easy to add it. Go to setting, control center, click here customize, you will find it in the bottom here. Click here to add the screen recording and you will see it here. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe, like this video. Goodbye, see you next video.